Meaning of goods train.
Goods train.
Goods train.
Goods train.
Goods train. A goods train is a type of train that transports goods or freight from one place to another. It is designed specifically for carrying large quantities of cargo such as raw materials, finished products, and other goods. Unlike passenger trains, which focus on transporting people, goods trains are dedicated to moving cargo across long distances efficiently. This type of train typically consists of multiple wagons or cars that can be attached or detached depending on the volume of cargo. Goods trains play an important role in global commerce and transportation of essential goods.